Hey guys, it's James Potenza, that new home realtor. We are out in Pomona in Manvel, Texas, and we're checking out some of the Perry homes out here. And just wanted to show you real quick. Your brick is in. That's always an exciting time, isn't it? Yeah, when you see the brick, you know it's about to get started. All right, let's go take a look inside. We're gonna, I think they just put the insulation in and they're just about ready to sheetrock. So they're gonna be doing brick and sheetrock simultaneously. So it's gonna start moving along. All right, we'll see you in there. All right, guys, here's your Perry home. There's your brick. It's gonna look good. All right, let's take a look inside. Yeah, I can already see the insulation going up. And yep, they have the drywall delivered. So yeah, check this out. They're gonna have this drywall up in a couple of days, I'm sure. Yeah, this is good. You can see all your mechanical stuff tucked in there nice and neat. And they wait until the last minute to, that's your gas line right there. They pressurize it, they keep it pressurized, and they keep it pressurized for as long as they can. And I think once they get the sheetrock up, they'll go ahead and release that. But yeah, make sure it has no leaks. All right. Yeah, so you can really see what your floor plan is going to look like. I mean, I'm telling you, once they put the insulation up, it starts to get real quiet in here. You'll see some of my other videos where it does not have the insulation and you can hear all the builders, hammers, and saws going on. It's almost too quiet here. Yeah, so there's all your batting insulation. And of course, that's your HVAC system is in. And you'll notice the shiny material, and I know we talked about this before, but the shiny material on the roof decking itself, yeah, the roof decking itself, that's your tech shield, your heat radiant barrier. That's some good stuff. That helps keep the attic cooler by pushing the heat back out away from the inside of your attic. It's good stuff. Yeah, they are ready to sheetrock, my friends. Here's your master bedroom. Look at that. Yeah, this is an exciting time. Once they get the sheetrock up, we'll come back and we'll show you the inside of your house. Oh, there's your electrical lines, or sorry, your low voltage. Low voltage electricity for your flat screen TV. There you go. Yeah, so you got the high voltage here, that's your 120. Here's your data cables. And your 90-inch flat screen goes right there. Perfect. All right, so we're inside your Perry home, and they are putting the sheetrock up any day now. Just kind of walking around, and yeah, so there's your sheetrock right there. So yeah, we'll come back when this is all sheetrocked up, and it will start to look like a house. You guys are going to love it. All right, we'll see you.